My name is Hendric and I'm International Product Application Support Manager at Leibinger.
My name is Hari and I am Application Support Manager in Asia Pacific region at Leibinger.
At Leibinger, the perfect print result starts long before the printer is installed. It starts with understanding the customer's application.
For our customer, reliable coding means one thing. The code has to be perfect on every product, in every shift, under real production condition.
To achieve that, every detail matters. The printer, the ink, the product surface, the production environment, the line speed, and the full process around it.
And this is where Leibinger makes the difference. We guide the customer step by step from pre-sample to printing to demo printer installation and the final setup on site.
We look at the customer's complete production flow, the machines, the processes, steps before and after coding, and the final code verification. Because the printing solution has to fit the customer's line, not the other way around.
For us, the complete picture is essential because in the end, only one thing counts: reliable performance on the customer line every day.
That's why Leibinger systems are designed for plug and print. Easy to integrate, easy to operate, and easy to rely on.
Our printer can connect it smoothly with existing production environment from ERP and mesh system to PLC's line control and automation setup.
With the inkjet, for example, customers benefit from modern connectivity options such as OPCUA, LAN, and optional LTE or cloud storage.
But the real value does not stop after installation. Customers need a partner they can rely on during setup, in daily production, and whenever support is needed.
That's why our focus is clear. Keep the line running, reduce effort, and give customers confidence in every shift.
And even though Leibinger systems are known for their robust design, low maintenance, and up to 5 years of maintenance-free operation, service remain a key part of our promise.
We are there when the customer needs us.
At Leibinger, you don't just get a printer.
You get the full package: advanced technology, application know-how, personal support, and a team that fits every customer need.
From big challenges
To small details, we have you covered.